You are holding it right now. Your thumb glides across the glass. One quick wipe on your shirt. There. Clean. Or so you believe. This is not glass. This is a living surface. A warm, nutrient-rich petri dish pressed against your face multiple times every hour. The illusion ends here. Look closer. Not with your eyes. With scale. The screen is no longer flat. Months of microscopic scratches have carved shallow valleys into the tempered glass. Each valley, no deeper than a human hair, traps particles that never see daylight. Run your finger along the edge. Feel the speaker grill. Those tiny perforations are deep canyons, narrow shafts descending into absolute darkness. Dust, skin flakes, and dried oils line their walls like sediment in a forgotten riverbed. The charging port is worse. A rectangular trench, humid and rarely cleaned, where lint forms natural dams. Organic matter piles behind them, layer after layer. Every seam, every bevel, every microscopic imperfection becomes permanent shelter. Nothing is ever truly wiped away. The surface simply rearranges its inhabitants. This device is an incubator. The lithium-ion battery beneath the glass maintains a steady 37 degrees Celsius when in use. Exactly body temperature. It never drops. It never cools. Every tap of your finger adds fresh substrate. Sweat carries sodium chloride and urea. Sebum, the oily secretion from your facial glands, spreads in thin films. Dead corneocytes, flattened skin cells, flake off by the thousands with each swipe. Tiny fragments of food, invisible to you, lodge between pixels. Aerosolized droplets from your breath settle like fine mist, delivering moisture and proteins. This is not random debris. This is a calculated, renewable feast delivered on demand. The warmth accelerates metabolism. The moisture prevents desiccation. The nutrients arrive in endless supply. The ecosystem does not wait. It consumes. Now meet the inhabitants. Staphylococcus aureus dominates the oily smears near the fingerprint reader. These gram-positive cocci cluster in golden grape-like formations. They produce lipase enzymes that break down your sebum into free fatty acids, fueling rapid division. Escherichia coli arrives from bathroom visits, transferred via unwashed hands. Rod-shaped motile, it thrives in the humid ports. Even small traces of fecal matter provide nitrogen-rich compounds these bacteria crave. Streptococcus species hide in the basal grooves, chains of spherical cells that tolerate low oxygen. They secrete extracellular polysaccharides, building biofilms, slimy three-dimensional matrices that shield entire colonies from your cleaning attempts. Inside these biofilms, bacteria communicate via quorum sensing. They coordinate. They construct towers and channels. They exchange plasmids carrying antibiotic resistance. Millions of cells per square centimeter pulse in synchronized metabolic waves while your screen glows with notifications. They are not passive. They are an established civilization anchored to the glowing pixels you stare into for hours. The transfer is the moment of intimacy. Incoming call. The screen illuminates. Heat rises. Bacterial metabolic activity spikes. You lift the device. Millions of living cells, embedded in biofilm, adhere to the glass. You press it to your cheek. The warmth of your face meets the warmth of the battery. Sweat glands open. Pores breathe. Direct contact. Skin to biofilm. Bacteria migrate instantly. Flagella propel E. coli across the boundary. Staphylococcus adhere to the lipids of your epidermis. Biofilm fragments shear off and lodge in the nasolabial fold, near your lips, inside the corner of your mouth. Every second against your face completes a perfect transmission loop. From your hand to the screen to your mucous membranes. The farm harvests, the farm recedes. The device in your hand is not technology. It is a living, breathing farm, a portable biome engineered by neglect, sustained by your constant attention. Every notification, every scroll, every call feeds it. Every touch reinforces it. Subscribe to BioDread, because the hidden world is always watching.